Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking Chrome OS version and free storage so the update and app processes run. Once done, make sure you are signed into your Chromebook and connected to a reliable network because intermittent Wi-Fi often blocks Roblox page loading. Next, open Chrome and clear site data for Roblox. Com to remove corrupted cookies or cached redirects. This removes stale signals the browser might use. After clearing, restart Chrome. This prepares the browser for the deeper fixes that follow. You now enable the Play Store and confirm Roblox has required permissions like storage and camera in settings, because lacking permissions blocks app launch. Then, open Chrome, //flags, and reset any modified network or sandbox flags to default. Experimental flags can break page rendering. If using the Android Roblox app, uninstall and reinstall it from the Play Store to refresh app binaries and permissions. If the web installer is used, run it and follow prompts. Doing this removes To finish, verify network-level issues. Flush DNS via crash-type network diag or restart the router, because stale DNS sometimes yields the "can't open this page" error. Then test Roblox using a guest profile or second user to rule out account-specific settings. This isolates the problem quickly. As a last resort, consider a power wash after backing up data. It resets Chrome OS and will remove deep configuration issues. If problems persist, note the exact error and contact support with diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.